Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest chicken wings. This is very delicious and it's so easy to make. You don't want to buy the frozen stuff because this is very delicious.
Cooking with poo poo? Poo poo.
The first thing is to make the marinade. So in this large bowl I have 5 cloves of garlic that I've finely chopped. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then I have 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Any kind of vinegar will do, just use what you have or what you like. Then I have 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now for the heat I'm using this sauce, it's called sriracha. You can find this pretty much in any Asian store, and most of the time you can also find it in the supermarket. If you don't have that, you can just use Tabasco or cayenne pepper, anything that's hot that you have under the hand at the moment. So yeah, that's 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. Then we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a little dash of salt, and finally about a teaspoon of dry thyme. Just have to mix this around until it's well combined, and then you put your chicken wings inside to marinate for a while. This is about 1 pound of chicken wings, and because I want this recipe to remain easy, I am not going to prep them and separate them and all that stuff. I could show you how to do that, but I really want to do a quick and simple recipe, so I'm going to leave them whole and just put them inside my marinade here. So after the chicken is tossed and everything is coated with the marinade, just put some cling wrap on top of that and leave it in the fridge for about half an hour at least, and then we're just gonna cook that in the oven. So you preheat the oven at 400 degrees and you just line your wings on a thing like this, and there's some sauce left here. Just going to use a little brush like this. You can use a spoon if you don't have that, and just make sure to not waste any of it and put it all on my wings before I cook them. Now after you cook them for 1 hour, they're ready to eat.